So Doogee has replaced the Doogee N30 with the Doogee N40 Pro. The N40 Pro is a newly released budget phone. It has some nice features, not the best, but one of the best features you can get on any budget phone. Now, after taking a closer look at the phone, I discovered that it has a camera design that looks like that of the Poco M3. It actually reminds me of the Oukitel C21 Pro. It has a camera design that looks like the iPhone 12 Pro. Anyways, like I said, the phone is actually one of the best budget phones you can get your hands on right now. I think a live giveaway video will be coming up very soon from Doogee's official YouTube channel. You can check it out. The phone has a 6.52-inch HD Plus display. It has an IPS LCD panel. It has the Android 11 OS, stock Android 11, which is nice. It has the Helio P60 chip, which is a mid-range chip, not the best, but one of the best you can get on mid-range and budget devices, especially budget devices these days. It has 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, which is okay. It has a quad camera setup at the back. It is said to have a 20 megapixel Sony sensor, an 8 megapixel camera, another 8 megapixel camera, and a 2 megapixel camera. It has a 16 megapixel selfie camera. The phone is said to have a 6380 mAh battery with 24 watts fast charging. It has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. NFC isn't supported in this device, so make sure to have that in mind. The phone is said to have a leather textured cover. So those are the key features of the Doogee N40 Pro, and as you can see, it's perhaps one of the best budget phones you can get your hands on. Anyways, I want you guys to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.